Yeah, these are my working tools and materials. You can see them. They're my already prepared sew. So I'll be working on size 19. The size is written inside the sew. So all these things I'm showing you now is the starting point and the ending point. It's just a simple design. Just watch out all I did here. So let's go. I'll be making use of 5 size 9 thread, 3 of blue and 2 of black. So I start from here. I'll be making 17 chains. So keep working till you work 17 chains. You can see it. Then single crochet on this stitch. After that, you single crochet on the next stitch. Then turn and skip the 2 stitches on the sew. Then continue working on the 16 chains you made. Work to the end. That's it. Then single crochet on the first 2 stitches on the sew. Yeah. So now we are going to skip just 1 stitch. Crochet on the next. On this row now, it has increased with 1 stitch. So work to the end. At the end, you make a single crochet on the first 2 stitches on the sew. 1 and 2. Then turn and skip 1 stitch. You can see it. So keep working that. At the end, the single crochet on the first 2 stitches on the sew. Turn and skip 1 stitch. Keep working till you work 8 rows. 8 rows. You can see it. Now let's create the back side. This one. So you can measure out either 2-inch, 3-inch, depending on the size of the sew. So at the end, I'm going to slip stitch because I started with slip stitch from the beginning, from the other side. Then skip the slip stitch, start from the next stitch. Work to the end here. Then now on the 3rd row, so skip this, the first stitch, crochet on the next stitch. I'm now on the 3rd row. Work to this point. That's it. So now on the 4th row, skip the first stitch, crochet on the next stitch. So I'm reducing the both sides. That is what I'm doing. Work to the end. So now I'm on the 5th row. On the 5th row, you maintain all the stitches. Don't skip any stitch. You can see it. Yeah, what I have here is 5 rows. Okay, now let's create this. So count out 2 stitches, then on the 3rd stitch start making your chain. Here I will make 11 chains. Remember, the number of chains depends on the size of the sew. I'm working on size 19.5. 11 chains, then continue crocheting. So walk to this point and make another chain. You can see it. The same 11 chain. Count out 2 stitches from this other side. Then make a slip stitch on the next stitch. You can see it. Then on the next stitch, make a single crochet. So turn and skip the 2 stitches you made last, then keep working on the 11 chains you created. So walk to this point. You can see it. So you walk to this point, walk to the end here. So always keep the 2 stitches you created on the front design. Keep working that to make more 2 rows. Total of 3 rows. You can see it here. More 2 rows. Yeah, you can see it. So let's create the final belt. Then you make a knot. Work 2 chains. Then from here you count out 11 stitches. Continue from the next stitch. So walk to this point. You can see it. So the other side I still have the 11 stitches out. Then make 25 chains. You can see it. 25. The number of chains also depends on the size of the shoe you are working on. Then after that you continue crocheting. Single crochet all through. So walk to this point. Then make 1 chain. So I'm now on the 2nd row of this belt. Walk to the end. So here we're going to work more 2 rows. That is total of 3 rows. You can see it here. So let's create this one. So you make a knot, Then make 10 chains. 10 chains. So here I counted out three stitches. Then start working on the 4th stitch. So on this one, I'm going to work 4 rows. I'm now on this third row. Now on the 3rd row. So after this row, make another 1 row, like a total of 4 rows. There you can see it. Then fold and stitch straight. There you can see it. Then pass on the belt. So the next thing now is buckle. You can see it. Just stitch it here, and that is final. See how cute it is. If you've not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below this video, like, and the notification bell. Don't forget the notification bell. Also like and share to your friend. See you on my next video. Bye.